All 6 of these newer raised meadow beds need about 6 inches of soil added back on top. So I had 6 yards of my favorite black diamond soil delivered. First step is getting it from the pile into the beds. Some of these take quite a bit more to fill than others. This one can only do half for now. There's still garlic growing in the other side. Had to move the drip lines out of the way to get everything leveled. Almost done with bed 5. I grew trellised watermelons in this one last year. So unfortunately with this last raised bed, I am not going to be able to top this one up with soil, as I found out that my neighbor's cedar shrubs there have now filled a 3rd raised bed with roots. I'll show you here. So right here, as I was just using a pitchfork to turn the soil over, I noticed this bed is full of cedar roots. Like, look at this big piece right here. And it's attached to this massive root here, and I can't even pull it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna end up having to remove all the soil from here. Last year, things didn't grow great in it anyways. So I'm gonna remove this soil, spread it out behind my greenhouse there, and then I'm gonna put down some cardboard and maybe a few layers of landscape fabric or who knows what to stop the roots from getting in. But I'm gonna have to do some work on this raised bed before I can fill this one. But for now, I did get 5 of the raised beds filled with soil, and I'm gonna just turn the soil to mix it with the stuff that was in there from last year. These ones over here are full, and I'm gonna turn them as well. And I'm gonna put a few buckets of the soil aside to fill this side, as I have garlic planted here and I cannot add the soil yet to this side. But so far I'm almost ready to plant.